Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech Info Zone. In today's video, I will show you how to install and configure CentOS step by step. Whether you are a beginner or want to learn Linux administration, this guide will help you get started easily. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the CentOS website at centos.org. Next, download the CentOS Stream ISO file. You will see several download options available. For this tutorial, select the x86_64 DVD ISO, which is suitable for most modern 64-bit computers. There are other ISO options available as well, and I will explain their purposes in a future video. For now, simply click on the mirror button and choose a download mirror near your location. The CentOS Stream ISO file will then begin downloading to your computer. After downloading the CentOS Stream ISO file, you need to create a bootable USB drive using Rufus. I have already shown this process in a previous video, and you can find the link in the description below. Follow that guide to easily create your bootable USB drive. Once the bootable USB has been created, insert it into your computer and boot from the USB drive. When the CentOS boot menu appears, you will see several options on the screen. Select Install CentOS Stream 10 and press Enter to begin the installation process. The installer will take a few moments to load. Please wait while the necessary files are loaded. Depending on your system's speed, this may take a little time. Once the loading process is complete, we will move on to the next step. The first step is to select your installation language. I will choose English as my preferred language. Select your desired language from the list, and then click Continue to proceed to the next step. Again, select English as your language and continue. This is the most important step in this video. Here, you can resolve all the yellow warning marks one by one. First, select the installation source. You will see different options available. Choose the correct installation source depending on your setup. If your system is connected to the internet, you can select the network option. Otherwise, choose the local installation source. After selecting the correct option, click Done to continue. Next, choose the destination where you want to install the operating system. Select the appropriate hard drive, then click Select and Continue. Let's see what happens next. Now you can see the selected storage device. Once you confirm the correct hard drive is selected, click Done. After that, move to the Software Selection section. This is an important step because you can choose the type of installation you want. You will see several options such as GUI Server, Minimal Install, Workstation, Virtualization Host, and Custom Operating System. Each option is designed for different use cases. For this installation, I am selecting Workstation. After selecting the desired option, click Done to proceed to the next step. You can see that all the required options at the top have now been completed, and only the remaining sections like root account and user creation are left. First, we will choose the root account. Here you will see two options, Enable and Disable. Select Enable if you want to activate the root account. After that, you can set your root password. Make sure to choose a strong password. This will be required after the installation is completed. Now, choose your username and set a password. I am using a temporary username because this installation is for learning purposes. You can choose your own username as per your requirement. Make sure to enter a strong and secure password for your account. Once everything is set, click Continue to proceed with the installation process. Now you can see that all the other credentials have been completed successfully. Make sure all the yellow warning marks are cleared and everything is properly set. Now we are ready to install CentOS. Click on Begin Installation to start the installation process. Now you can see that the installation process has started. It may take some time to complete, so please wait. Now the installation process has been completed successfully. Click on Reboot System, or in some cases the system will reboot automatically. After reboot, the CentOS operating system will start. Let's see how it works. After CentOS boots successfully, we will see the login username that we selected during the installation process. Please select your user account and enter your password to log in for the first time into CentOS. Let's see how it works. Now CentOS has been logged in successfully. This is the simple and easiest way to install the CentOS operating system. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative and technical content. This video is made for educational and learning purposes only. Please let us know in the comments how we can improve our content and what you would like to see in our next videos. Thanks everyone for watching.